Thousands of people were interested in Tesla shares in a world of volatile markets and fluctuating stock prices. Global experts took a risk by purchasing Tesla stock at a discount, about $130, and disclosing it to the public. However, they now carry a warning that has the potential to rock the Tesla community. The future is uncertain and the stakes are enormous. Come along today as we explore the core of the predictions made by experts. Learn about the important variables that could make or ruin Tesla, such as the effect of loan rates and the elusive Cybertruck. Hold on tight as we examine the bulls and bears in the Tesla narrative. Find out why some people think this is the ideal time to buy in Tesla and discover how to navigate the wild waters of the stock market. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons first, though. It's time to fasten your seatbelt and see where the Tesla voyage will lead you. Experts are raising the alarm and speculating that Tesla's stock may plummet to $200 or maybe $175. Hold on, maybe teasing the dreaded $100 mark. Not everything is sunshine and rainbows. Tesla's short-term prognosis appears bleak, which might be problematic for the stock price. What then is the source of all this turbulence? This is the fascinating part. Analysts are hinting that investors may have a special opportunity during this difficult time. You heard correctly, in chance. They think that in the midst of the turmoil, the price may drop to between $100 and $200, providing opportunities for astute investors to make big gains. You know how they claimed things like this are fleeting. Friends, that is the reality. Tesla stock didn't drop as much as expected, disappointing bears who had been watching it at a much lower price. Fear and doubt began to seep in, and many people lost out on the opportunity to join at the proper moment. Consider Chicken Genius as an example. He boldly foresaw Tesla's doom, predicting a drop to $140. And what do you know? It took place. Then again, he predicted a far more dire future in which prices would fall as low as $60 or $80. Was it realized? Sort of, however, it appears he'd backed off from his forecasts when the prices did match his expectations. Let's address the main issue now, which is the disturbing information that has the Tesla community on edge. According to our expert, Tesla is going through some difficult times, which they describe as quite concerning in the near future. However, why? Imagine this. The July-August delivery window for Tesla's models in the US was originally projected, but it has since been revised to August-September. That's correct. There are significant repercussions in the Tesla pool because of the low backlog. However, there's more to it than what first appears. Our specialist identifies a few causes for this illness. Let's discuss the present interest rates, which are a big worry for both Tesla and prospective customers. For many people, getting a car loan has gotten more difficult due to rising rates. This is awful news for Tesla, particularly considering their goal of selling millions of units annually. These skyrocketing borrowing rates are now creating obstacles for Tesla's entry into the middle-class market. It's growing harder and harder for consumers to buy the automobile they want when they try to secure loans for their ideal Tesla and are turned down by banks left and right. Imagine this. Our eager investors had their sights set on the svelte and magnificent Model X just over a year ago. Everything appeared to be in place for them to buy their ideal automobile. But just when everyone was getting excited, the dreaded interest rates started to rise, which sent tremors through the stock market and left our investors with a difficult choice. Our investor was presented with a dilemma as he held the stack of Tesla stock increasing in one hand and the alluring Model X dreams in the other. For them, the decision seemed obvious. They decided to feed their enthusiasm for Tesla by acquiring even more of the company's shares rather than confront the Model X with those exorbitant borrowing rates. These kinds of strategic decisions are essential for investors who want to optimize their potential gains in this unpredictable market. Furthermore, even though the direction of Tesla stock is uncertain, one thing is certain: the fervor and commitment of its investors will continue to influence the course of events. And who is responsible for them? A chance to purchase further Tesla shares on the market is like to winning a golden ticket to visit Willy Wonka's factory. However, the tale does not finish there. Fate returned to knock on the investor's door as his enthusiasm for Tesla rose. A chance to get their hands on the Model 11 came along, and it was very, very enticing. But in order to finance the purchase, they would have to pay those dreaded high interest rates that they had previously avoided. The million-dollar dilemma is whether to finance the Model 11 or make the cash payment. And our investor is carefully weighing their alternatives. On the one hand, they wish to take advantage of the current low pricing and buy additional Tesla shares. On the other hand, they can't resist the Model 11's charm and the thrill of operating the newest Tesla creation. Our investor is keeping an eye on the future as they make their way through the financial maze. They are aware that Tesla's future quarters may not be all sunny, which could lead to swings in the stock price. They are unwavering in their resolve to avoid timing the market and to avoid causing a taxable event. It ultimately comes down to riding out the storm and hanging on to Tesla stocks through whatever comes your way. Let's now discuss the incredible car known as the Cybertruck, which is creating a lot of hype. But hold on, did you anticipate it? Get ready for this revolutionary addition to the Tesla range. The first several quarters of a new car introduction aren't always the most profitable. But worry not, this enormous truck is expected to significantly boost Tesla's earnings in 2024. It's an emotional roller coaster, but one that will thrill enthusiasts and investors alike. Imagine this. Recently, Tesla, the innovative corporation that we all know and love, has been venturing into uncharted territory. When the Model Y debuted in January of 2020, Tesla had its most recent product announcement. It resembled fireworks shooting higher and higher into the night sky. Now, with the advent of the Cybertruck, we're in for another extravaganza. Get ready for this amazing show that is about to begin, and don't miss the inevitable thrill it will provide. Here's the twist, though. Wall Street isn't quite sold on the Cybertruck just yet, despite its exciting introduction and more than 2 million reservations. A few doubtful minds may mutter too expensive or speculate as to whether or not reservation holders will cancel. Hold on to your hats, though, because Wall Street may quickly change its tune if the Cybertruck lives up to the anticipation. As we wait for the money to come in and the actual potential to show itself, it's a thrilling moment. Let's take a look behind the scenes of the stock market. Based on predictions for 2024, Tesla is currently trading at 54 times forward PE, or around 3 times the average market price. Though it may seem overwhelming, there's no need to worry as Tesla has extremely promising development potential. Get ready for an incredible ride as Tesla is expected to surpass average stock sales and EPS growth rates by a factor of 5 or more. Remain vigilant, as the actual worth of Tesla shares may be concealed beneath the surface. Our courageous investor muses over short-term uncertainties during this thrilling adventure. They know full well that in a hard recession, there may be steep declines in the price of Tesla stock, up to 50% or more. They are nevertheless unfazed, believing that the Cybertruck has enormous upside potential. It resembles a roller coaster with an abundance of exhilarating curves and turns, a crazy journey they are eager to take. To sum up, the future of Tesla stock is still a fascinating riddle. Will Wall Street's image of the Cybertruck change in its favor, and will it alter the automobile industry? Time will tell. As investors, we must be steadfast in our belief in Tesla's long-term promise as we navigate the stock's ups and downs. I'd love to hear from you right now. How do you feel about the impending Cybertruck from Tesla, and how that will affect the stock price? Do you think that Tesla will continue to grow, or do you have doubts about the company's future? In the comments section below, add your thoughts and join the discussion. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News in order to receive updates on everything Tesla related, as well as the fascinating advancements in the finance and technology industries. I sincerely appreciate your time, and until we meet again, let's continue discovering the exciting world of Tesla together.